guide above your head with some of the animals we'll see out there today. I cannot guarantee we'll see every single animal, but I'm hopeful. Inside, immediately being in the military force, that is a saddle-billed stork.
I'll sit you.
Saddle-billed storks get their name. The right-hand side, there's an okapi right there. Okapis are very shy and reclusive and thought to be a myth before discovered. Their similarities in skull shape sort of give that away. They're very, very faint, but they help them blend into the rays of sun that go through the trees, and very important. Those are female kudus. Males are the only ones that have horns, and their horns can be up to 6 feet long. And like I was mentioning about the Sapi River, most of these animals are semi. Their wingspan can be anywhere from 9 to 10 feet, making them the largest flighted bird. So they are colonial nesters. They don't like to nest in pairs. Okay, on the left-hand side, that is a bloat of Nile hippos right there. You can actually see one. That one's actually really interested in us right now. Nile hippos are notorious for their size weighing as much as a car, and you will typically see them under the water or sleeping under their fleet. See how big they actually are. Well-known animals, you might recognize them out there. And what the animals and even white at certain times. Dung and hard as concrete, they're used as a scratching post by most animals. I see more animals. Little guys. But on the right hand side, these are Ankole cows. They're known for the large horns on their head. That's actually a little guy right there. Maasai giraffes. Now giraffes are 30 minutes a day. And then on the left-hand side, these are greater flamingos. Greater flamingos are the largest and the palest in the flamingo species. They get their color not naturally, but from the beta-carotene, which is found in the brine shrimp they eat. Their beaks are like a food strainer. They are filter feeders, so they have water naturally filtering out of their beak when they fish for their food. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, so that's a flamboyance right there, flamingos, and as you can hear them honking at us, that is how they communicate with one another. Seconds and can run up to speeds of 70 miles per hour. Okay. These are two females in the pride. Lions are the largest carnivore to hunt and gather in a pride. I find it adorable. They're also known for drinking abnormally large amounts of water. Now, my friends, we're going to be leaving the savannah. Head warden out here on the reserve. So don't let the size fool you there. Say so out there. Okay, how many of y'all was that your first time out here? No, everyone's been on this? Nice, nice. I had a whole group of returning safari drivers or safari begins to wind down. I still recommend around to your next adventure. look for those animals that you might have not even realized are around when you are visiting the park. For instance, there are kangaroos over by the Tree of Life, and there are even some saimangs that live over in Asia. Guys, so Quaharini, that means to go well. Once again, guys, my name is Brooke Helm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and wonderful rest of your day here. Rest of your day here, or wherever your next adventure may be. Care to